Good morning, everyone. So cold here in Houston because of winter storm. Oh no, my plants, they are dead now. Oh no, what's happening here? It's cold. Oh, my plants are already frozen. Oh, they're dead. Oh, I forgot them to take inside. Oh, it's my fault. Oh no. See? Happened here. Oh. No.
Sun is up there already.
Yeah. Here's the real. Oh no! Nakalimutan yung konting isara. Oh. See what happened here. Oh, look at the trees. Oh. So cold. What happened to my plants here? Oh wow, my plants. Oh. You can subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate your subscription. Look. Oh no, my vegetables. I forgot to cover and I forgot them to take inside. It's my fault. They're dying now. Maybe I can take them inside still. Yeah, I will. Oh no. So cold. See what's happening? Oh. This is what is happening right now here in Houston. Because of Arctic blast, we are now experiencing winter storm. Today is February 15, 2021, here in Houston, Texas. The lowest temperature today is 15 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. So you would be updated for
new videos. You can click the red subscribe button now. Thank you. If you like the video, just click the notification bell now